Tree surgeon North Lakes. Caboolture Tree Removal provides expert tree trimming North Lakes, ensuring precise cuts for healthy tree growth. Our certified tree surgeon North Lakes handles hazardous tree removal and complex tree care tasks with expertise. We also offer reliable tree maintenance North Lakes, preserving the beauty and safety of your landscape. For stub and stumps, our stump grinding North Lakes service ensures a clean, polished finish. From tree pruning to palm cleaning, our skilled team delivers top-notch tree care solutions, ensuring your property remains safe, green, and visually appealing.